Hi everyone, this is Milan from MK Designs, and there's a motorcycle behind me that has come to us for some customization. Let me show you the motorcycle first. So that's the Interceptor 650 Mark II edition, the chrome and red one, and it already has a free flow exhaust, complete system. It's the free flow bend pipes. That's the motorcycle how it has come to us, and let's show you what we are going to do on this motorcycle. So this is the engine. We have already used the paper and made it rough, and this we are doing so that we can paint the complete engine black. So if you see closely, made rough scratches on the engine, and this will help us to grip the paint and the primer that we'll be doing on the bike. So here's the engine, and we have completely masked the parts of the fuel injector, the wirings, everything where we don't want the paint to be sprayed. We have the high temperature paint with us, and we're going to spray it all over the engine. So here's the fuel tank of the Interceptor, and as you can see, we have already scraped out all the paint, and now we can see the exposed bare metal.